Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear lovely friends, actually today I have come here for video making purpose. I have come here and in this moment. Okay, so as you can see, this is our mustard field, and this mustard field look like very beautiful, and mustard flower, actually yellow flower, yellow color, actually very amazing. Okay, so all around side only for yellow color, and this is the evening time and sun already set. Okay, so very beautiful location. And after, actually before 15 days ago, and this mustard not growth, actually very small, and now day by day growth this mustard, and now yellow flower, actually very amazing. Okay, so dear lovely friends, actually today I have come here for only reels video making, so not for English practicing video, and now on English practicing video making. Okay, because nowadays I can't make for English blog video. Okay, and today I make on English practice video, because yesterday I can't upload my on my YouTube channel for any English video or any blog video. Okay, so today I make on English blog video. Okay, so dear lovely friends, you comment me, actually comment me my English blog video good or bad. Please comment me and support me. Okay, I think my English not good quality, because I am a beginner learner for English, and that's why my English not good quality. Actually now my exam actually going on, so that's why I not practice for learning English. So that is why I not practice for English learning. Okay, so dear lovely viewers, and my video every single day I make video after exam complete, and every single day making video for English, only English video, and I will go to another location, another different place, and explain different place, and I make very nice and very good blog video. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.